ourselves. My name is Dhruv Pravin Mehta. I am a principal designer of Karya Design Studio from the small town Bharuch in Gujarat. I hold a professional degree in interior designing from the INMT Vadodara, Gujarat in year 2013. I never thought I will be an interior designer. Thought I was good at drawing and how to represent my school in various competition. My parents wanted to be as an engineer and my journey towards interior design began. When I was discussed with one of relative about design, he gave me one contact number. That day journey started with the dream of the interior designer. After the study completed, I was joined my idol office for the internship. After the 3 years of internship, I am excited to open my own studio, Karya Design Studio, with a full of confidence and support of idol and parents. Those days, one of my friends gave me mental support in initial days for the established new firm at the age of 23. In my early days, I was quite impressed by the work of Sri Dipen Gada and my idol Sri Kadam Shah. Sometimes people you meet inspire you. The biggest inspiration is the vibe that you get while designing a space. I look for various qualities and think it is important for every designer to grow. The designer is the emotions, which is sensory. It is not a something technical, is what I would like to add. I have always sought knowledge and exposed which mold me on a path of self-learning. Intense traveling, study and seminars helped me create a nice identity for my practice. I have implanted the learning and experience to take defined steps toward achieving performance and have worked toward implement micro level change in my design with each progressive projects. In the early days, we face criticism. If I am honest about my work and believe in it, then let the criticism come. Many times people are not capable enough and so criticize when someone else does it. When somebody can cook on one cuisine and not another, he say that he does not like it. Maybe he is not learned on how to do that. As a designer, we are in a service-oriented field. One does not have to impose oneself on others. One has to serve to others. That is the basic difference between me and other designers. Other designers say that they are the great and they show to the world what they want. I don't think like that. I think that on pretense area like corporate jobs, we can put our foot forward and provide a design as per sensibility. But for the housing, you have to do what the people are happy with. Criticism is good. It is welcome. Most of the time, your own critics, it's come for the within. So either you are changing things, involving a starting from scratch again, and whatever somebody tell you, stay with it. You may say it does not affect you, but it is there. It is always easy to learn and make mistake to your own expense and keep on grounded. Wide identity. I never let the budget restrict or carving for the details and creative, and this has always been a collaborative motto. At the last, I would ask to the young generation to take responsibility, work hard and dedication. Time management and the right attitude is what will guide them to snow and seed of success. It is always a value for that start from today. If you want to work own car and apartment in next 2 years, I'll just say that believe your own self. Thank you.